where's it been hurting at? Just point to where it's been hurting at.
It's still right.
That same spot. Still going down the leg at all?
Yeah. I mean, when it's hurting, it still does.
Is it hurting right now?
Nope.
This morning?
It starts hurting.
This morning and last night was hurting?
I mean, yeah, it's hurting a little bit right now. I mean, it's more with movement.
Let's have you lay this side up facing me. Just like that. All right, that was great. Let's go this other side here. That's what we needed there. Got a busy day today then?
No, not really. It's pretty off day today because of the weather.
Okay. That was great. All right. Let's lay back face down here. We're going to double
Face down.
check. Check a few things here. Oh, that's looking good. Nice. Nice and even there.
It's definitely getting a lot better.
All right, let's roll over onto your back. How's your neck been doing?
My neck's kind of stiff. I've been going to the gym
Okay.
quite a bit more, trying to, because I mean, it was helping, so my neck's kind of stiff today.
There's one down here. There's one right over here.
All right, that was it. That was the stiffness.
All right, you're good there. We can come on up then, so we're all set.